Showcase Beautiful in Pelham's Ballantree. Colleen and David Black, Keller Williams Realty, 356-5412. Call on Colleen.
I'm James Spann. This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Extreme video. This is for Thursday, the 20th day of August. Showers and thunderstorms, tropical downpours rumbling across the deep south this afternoon. We'll begin with some of the Skycam shots. First off, this is an image sent by one of our friends just up the road from us in River Chase. And they've got a little more altitude than we do, and you can see a big downpour there off in the distance looking back over toward Bluff Park, and that's pretty representative of the sky across the state today. The Skycam shots, there's a look at the Chehaw Skycam. Rain falling there just south of Anniston. Up the road in Gadsden, the sky mostly cloudy. And down in Chilton County, same sky there coming from Clanton. A pretty good rain shaft there off in the distance. There's the radar at 2 o'clock, and you can see a band of heavier thunderstorms over northwest Alabama from near Vernon back up to Hamilton and Moulton. And that band will be working its way south and east across the state this afternoon. Elsewhere, a number of these tropical downpours around. There's a regional radar, and we've got that band from near Nashville down to about Greenville, Mississippi, but understand the actual front is still back around St. Louis and Oklahoma City. So this is not the end of it. We'll pretty much maintain a chance of showers and storms tonight into tomorrow. Convective outlook for the rest of today and tonight. Got a slight risk for the northwestern corner of Alabama, basically north of a line from near Sulligent to Jasper to Huntsville. And that's part of a risk area that runs from Dallas-Fort Worth up to Buffalo. Tomorrow, there's no formal risk here, just a low-end 5% probability of severe weather within 25 miles of a given point. The better chances up north where there is a slight risk over parts of New England. QPF chart, rain for the next 5 days, valid through Tuesday morning at 7 o'clock, and this is suggesting about 1 to 1.5 inches here. And we all know that these storms can drop that much in 1 hour. It just depends on where the heavier downpours come down. But everybody's got a pretty good crack at getting some really decent rain this afternoon and tonight. And after that, though, the weekend and much of next week looks dry. Tropical weather update, Big Bad Bill, Wild Willie. He's out there in the Atlantic, north of the Virgin Islands, behaving just as expected. It's weakened a little bit, and there's a closer look, and you can see that there's definitely the outflow is restricted in the southern and western semicircles, so there's a bit of shearing going on, but still a very well-organized, dangerous, large hurricane in the Atlantic. And the track, no change, should be passing west of Bermuda, east of the United States, heading up toward the Canadian Maritimes as a Category 1 hurricane by Sunday night and Monday of next week. And then headed out into the North Atlantic as a subtropical storm. Ultimately headed over there towards Scotland. Look at the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid at 1 o'clock tomorrow. Nice trough over the eastern half of the nation. Hot ridge out west. And you can see Bill in the Atlantic, east of the Bahamas. We stay pretty soupy. But, it could be a deal where the deeper moisture is shunted down into South Alabama tomorrow afternoon. I'm beginning to think we'll mention a good chance of showers and storms tonight. Lingering showers in the morning, and then maybe by afternoon, the most numerous showers south of Birmingham. Saturday, starting off the weekend, we go dry. Lower humidity, sunny, highs in the mid to upper 80s. Sunday should be a beautiful day. Sunday morning down around 60. 50s likely for the cooler valleys. That'll feel good. Monday of next week, dry. Tuesday, still dry. Wednesday of next week, still dry. Looks like we'll have pretty quiet weather beginning Saturday for a while. Thursday of next week, even that day looks relatively dry and quiet. Go out there at the end of the forecast, the 5th of September. Nice trough over the northwest. With a ridge over much of the nation, and down below that, things are looking awfully quiet. No sign of any tropical mischief, so looks like after this weekend, we'll have a nice, calm series of days here in the weather office. That's it for the Weather Extreme video this afternoon. Notes on the blog, AlabamaWX.com. If you're watching this by YouTube or iTunes, some of you watch it within the blog. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.